hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And this is a video of Farmersville, Texas. Every year they put on, in July, the Cops and Rodders car show. And it's a nice car show, maybe around 200 cars or so. And it's just really neat. There's a lot of interesting vehicles in this video that I have captured for y'all. So they attracted very fast cars and very interesting cars. So let's just take a look at some of the things that I saw, that I will begin orienting you with where Farmersville is and a little bit about what the show kind of looked like. So here we go.
Farmersville is a North Texas town not too far from Dallas and McKinney. And here you see it's just off 380 between McKinney and Greenville. For whatever reason, we had a helicopter buzzing overhead for quite a while. It made about 3 or 4 passes, I believe. So here I am getting up close to the car show. They had closed off the town square and some of the side streets as well. I'll spend a minute or so here just giving you an idea of what the car show looked like with these next video clips. Thought I'd just throw in here the old car that they had out there for you if you wanted to donate a little bit of money and beat up this car. They had a few things for sale out there, such as Hot Wheels cars and knickknacks, things like that. And they had a band playing pretty much all day. These guys were virtually non-stop. And here we go, getting into all the interesting police cars that were out there. And there were several of them. These were wonderful, quote-unquote, police cars. Really enjoyed looking at them. And when they left, yes, they made a rumble. So, this just brings up the point. Please do your best, if possible, to respect all the first responders of various types. So I ran into a fella named Richard. He works with Park Up Front, and so we had a nice discussion. His car was beautiful, a Hearst edition of a Dodge Challenger. Also got shots of people that I know, such as Connie and Mike, who owns this very nice Corvette. Also ran into John and Annie, and here's their 38 Chevy. Also ran into Russell as he was getting some food. Talked to him a little bit, and here's his pickup truck. Another really nice guy who owns this beautiful Chevelle is Jeff. Somebody else I hadn't seen in quite a while is Ken Wilson. We had met him in Plano at another car show about 2 years ago or so. Met the owner of this Pennywise car. This thing was very well presented. I believe he might have been out of Dallas or Garland. Somebody I talked to quite a bit about C8 Corvettes was Joe. He was from up north. He's an ex-firefighter, and we really enjoyed chatting. Now this hot rod I had seen before north in Denison, Texas. Talked to the guy who bought this car. He'd actually bought it from the guy that I'd seen up in Denison, Texas. So now this car's moved a little further south, but still in its old area. And here's a vehicle I'd seen at a car show in Farmersville once before, kicking and screaming. This thing is pretty mind-blowing. Great big tractor pull dragster. I kind of like this Prowler. It's a 2000, totally hand-built at the factory. And yes, it's a Hot Wheels car. This thing is fantastic. About 253 horsepower, tuned to 288 horsepower. And it just has all kinds of goodies in it, on it, and all over it. I'm almost 100% sure I've seen this vehicle, or rat rod, several times before. Big old diesel engine, but they had changed the rear wheels with these treads, so this is a little different look than what I've seen of it in the past. If you haven't seen the Deadpool movies, I would say please watch them. They are hilarious. And so this gentleman made up his car, wrapped it, fixed it all up for Deadpool. Very nice job.
Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thank y'all very much. You are very kind for sticking it out, watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe down below. I appreciate that as well. And thank you very much for the Farmersville Police Department as well as their fire department. So met up with the chief and the assistant chief of the fire department and hadn't seen them in a very long time, so it was good meeting up with them. So hi y'all, in case you're watching the video. So anyway, with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.